Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect Gmail to n8n. Now the first thing I want you to do is go to Google Cloud and create a new project. So you can click here on this drop down, click on new project. You can name this anything you want, let's say n8n test, click on create. And then what I want you to do is come here on the left hand panel. Okay, click on these three horizontal lines. You'll get a bunch of options. Click on API and services and then click on authentication consent screen. Now here, you can either create a user type for internal or external. Internal is when you have a Google Workspace account. Okay, if you're paying for that, that's perfect. Or you can do external and click on create. Now make sure you have enabled Gmail API access, so you can search your Gmail right here, Gmail API, and then make sure you enable this. Then you just go back and create an external user type. And then you'll get your API that you can go ahead and use in n8n. Now going back to n8n, come here to the top right, click on the plus icon, or you can click here and just connect your Gmail using the API. And it's that easy. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.